Isa sa mga favorite kong desserts talaga ang tiramisu. Pero every time gumagawa ako nito, bumibili lang ako ng ladyfingers. Pero this time, sinubukan kong gumawa ng ladyfingers from scratch. Start by separating 3 egg yolks and 3 egg whites. Into the yolks, 1/4 cup of white sugar and a dash of vanilla extract. Mix until maging pale yellow yung color, then set aside. Sa egg whites naman or yung merang, beat until maging frothy, and once frothy na siya, unti-unting mag-add ng 1/4 cup of white sugar and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Beat on high until ma-achieve yung stiff peak. Pag okay na, mag-add ng 1/3 ng merang mixture sa egg yolk mixture. Using a spatula, fold lang until fully combined. Then slowly pour it in sa natitirang merang, and then fold. Then using a sieve, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Fold until there's no more traces of flour in the mixture. Transfer the mixture into a piping bag fitted with a big round piping tip. Or gupitin na lang yung dulo ng piping bag if walang piping tip. Then start piping on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. About 1 inch thick and 3 inches long. And make sure na may konting space in between para di magdikit during baking. Then dust with powdered sugar before baking. In a preheated oven, bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes. After baking, let it cool and set for a few minutes. Once lumamig na at firm to touch, transfer the ladyfingers onto a cooling rack or in an airtight container kung i-store nyo muna siya. Now na meron na tayong nagawang ladyfingers, we can start making our tiramisu. Using a Dober boiler, combine 6 egg yolks and half cup of white sugar. Mix for about 7 to 10 minutes or until fully dissolved na yung sugar. Then add 250 grams of mascarpone cheese. For best result, I do not recommend using cream cheese as a substitute for mascarpone. I actually tried it once and di ko siya nagustuhan. Mix lang natin until wala ng lumps ng mascarpone. Then lagay muna natin sa ref habang gagawin natin yung ating whipping cream. In a separate bowl, whip 2 cups of heavy whipping cream until stiff peak. Then slowly pour the mascarpone mixture into the whipped cream. Then carefully fold it in until well combined. Last natin gagawin is the coffee liquor. In a bowl, add about 3 teaspoons of instant coffee powder. Dissolve lang natin sa konting hot water, then add about 2 cups of cold water. Then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of rum or brandy, pero optional na lang yan kung gusto niyo mag-add. And now we are ready to assemble our tiramisu. You can use any shape or size ng container na gusto niyo gamitin. Pero dito gumamit ako ng loaf pan and sumakto lang yung 18 pieces ng ladyfingers na nagawa natin. Now dip each ladyfinger sa coffee liquor for about 3 to 5 seconds and fill the bottom of the pan with ladyfingers. Next, cover the ladyfingers with cream mixture. Then do another layer of ladyfingers and cream. And since malalim yung ginamit kong pan, ginawa ko na siyang 6 layers. Cover the top with cling wrap and let it set in the fridge for 6 hours or better kung overnight. And before serving, dust the top with cocoa powder. Hope you'll try making this homemade tiramisu at home and impress your family and friends. Madami lang talaga siyang process pero simple lang talaga siyang gawin and super worth it. So thank you guys for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye!